Cusco.
See, these people keep like
For
this.
example.
What is that?
Ruda.
Ruda.
Yes, Ruda.
Why you keep it?
Money.
Oh, money will come.
Yeah, energy, positive energy.
Oh, yeah, energy. I've seen this. Many people in
Yeah,
Colombia also
yes,
keep
yes,
it.
Cusco.
Cusco. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Can I take this one?
For me.
I'll come and give it
No.
back.
Not tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll give it back.
No, this is sorry.
Okay.
This is
You-
for me
okay.
and the WhatsApp picture.
You send me WhatsApp picture later.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So 35 soles is about 10 soles is 250 rupees. 35 soles. Abhinandan here. Plaza de Armas.
Three address.
3. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you. So tourist people at least will speak English. I gave her my number. So 35 soles means 10 soles is 250 rupees. 35 soles is 750. 750 plus 125 is 750, 850, 900 rupees. And then you can visit up 20 places in 3 hours time. Best no headache. And I like recording more than the photos. So they keep that kind of plant to attract money. And you know what? Even prostitutes in Colombia, okay, in Medellin, in one hand they'll have chocolates, in one hand they'll have this flower or this plant. Okay, I asked why. It gives a nice fragrance. So I asked why. They say to attract customers. Wow. See this? For women tantra massage. What's a website? Okay. I'll edit this. Explore your sacred sexuality, heal. Okay. I want to put I should not hold like this and go. Everyone tell it's very dangerous. Dangerous is like people in Delhi, people in Bangalore used to follow me and come and snatch it. Like that they do it here also, they say. But I am a stupid fellow. I keep holding it. Let me see, where is this plaza? Wow, this pretty white girls. Where is Plaza de Armas? Okay. So just take a walk once, get the vibration, get the frequency of the place, and keep moving. So this is place for rent. It means a room for rent with bathroom with the number there. Okay. I don't know what this means. First time when you're walking, it'll be nice to record. Second time, it's a common thing, it'll be boring. A lot of foreigners come to Cusco only. today I will explore. Today is 14th, 13th today. 14th I have, 15th I have to check out, and 15th I'll go to Aqua Clintis, where there's a hot water spring also somewhere nearby. And then 16th I have to plan for Machu Picchu. And then 21st, 22nd I have to be out of Peru because 23rd is the last day for visa. So at least 22nd I have to go out, and so I'm going to Bolivia. Bolivia, one main attraction, Salar de Uyuni or something. The 160 kilometer by 135 kilometer salt mirror. The salt mirror effect happens only in January and January, February. But let me see. Where is this still? I think it is over there. But let me capture all this. One time walk. One time walking. I have deleted nearly 50 GB of memory place. The internet in this booking place where a booking through booking.com is not fast. I cannot upload on YouTube and all fast. So I use my mobile only without editing. Show me yours. Excuse me.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for that fellow does not want. What is that? Okay. I'm just looking. That's why I'm not talking. I cannot look at all the places. So I look at some places. So Abhinandan, while I'm traveling, the beauty about Abhinandan is while I'm traveling, I am not doing a job like a digital nomad. I'm earning money through a business, proven established business. I think this is the main circle, main historic place. Okay. Let me take some photo. Here, Abhinandan over here. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, very traditional, old. I'm just capturing it without talking much. I'm looking at the best of place to take my photos. So I'm just not even talking. Let me see which is the best place. It's a bright sunlight. Very bright.
Yeah.
This is called Plaza de Armas, like that beautiful actress Armas, or someone in the movie called Ghosted, who is now fallen in love with Tom Cruise, the Cuban actor. I think her name also actress starts with Armas, something like that it is. There's a statue with a sword of a Red Indian. Okay, let me. Now, let me stop for a few minutes and take a recording, take a photo. There will be some history behind it. I have no time to tell the history and all. Neither have read it. Okay. So everything will have some history dating back to 15th century or 16th century, when the Spanish invaded here and they killed most of the local people.